Mufaddal Saifuddin is the spiritual leader and 53rd Da'i al-Mutlaq of 2 million Dawoodi Bohras, a subgroup of the Tayyibi, Mustaali, Ismaili Shia branch of Islam. He is the second son of the 52nd Da'i al-Mutlaq, Mohammed Burhanuddin, whom he succeeded in 2014. Saifuddin led the restoration of medieval Fatimid architecture, notably Al-Anwar Mosque, Al-Aqmar Mosque, Al-Juyushi Mosque, and Lulua Mosque in Cairo. He also discovered the burial places of the 5th, 11th, 12th, 13th, 20th, 21st, 22nd, and 30th Da'i al-Mutlaq in Yemen in the years 2018 and 2019. Mufaddal Saifuddin was born on 20 August 1946 in Surat, India, and was given the name Ali Qadr Mufaddal by his grandfather Tayyibi Saifuddin. His kunya is Abu Jafar as-Sadiq and his laqab is Saifuddin. During the era of his grandfather Tayyibi Saifuddin, he began the recitation of the Quran in Safi Villa, Colombo. He received much of his spiritual tutelage from his father, Mohammed Burhanuddin, and his father-in-law Yusuf Najmuddin, the rector of Al-Jamiat as-Safiyya. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.